Hello everyone, here's the DF64, the one that many of you have been asking for. Let's take a look. The DF64 comes with a titanium coated burr. The burr is made in Italy, so it's not bad. But more importantly, most people want to know is how well it grinds, how is the retention like. Now it comes with this little tiny plastic stuff, dosing cup supposedly, but I don't like it because it's quite far away from the chute and tends to get a bit messy. I find that using a paper cup works very well. Now currently inside I already cleaned it thoroughly, so it's 0 inside, so I put in 10 grams. It comes with a bellow, so not bad. It's not the best bellow in the world, but it's workable and it's functional. Whack it a few times. Oh, first round, pretty good. Okay, for repeatability, I do it another round. Another 10 grams in. I think it takes approximately 12 to 15 seconds to grind. Okay, even second round performs quite well. Let's see how it does in pulling shots. Now the fact that I can use a paper cup is because, well, I have a funnel from the AeroPress. If you don't have one, please get yourself an AeroPress, the original version. It comes with a funnel and it's great for this purpose. Now if you don't have a funnel, then using a cup and trying to dose it into the portafilter, well, that may not be that nice or easy to use. But I would say as far as the espresso shot is concerned, this is pretty good. A pretty good shot indeed. So if you're looking for a easy to use grinder, here is it. If you'd like to order one, do contact me for stock availability. And if it pleases you, do subscribe and give me a like. Thank you very much.